What if your thoughts were never truly isolated? Across the universe, particles communicate instantly, ignoring distance, time, and physical boundaries. Now imagine this same principle applied to consciousness itself. What if every thought, every feeling, every sudden insight is part of a vast, invisible web? Today we explore a radical question. Is human consciousness quantum entangled? And could we all be expressions of a single, universal mind? Have you ever thought of someone only to receive a message from them moments later? Or felt an unexplainable connection to a person thousands of miles away? Modern science tells us minds are separate, confined within individual brains. But quantum physics tells a very different story. In the quantum world, entanglement allows particles to remain connected no matter how far apart they are. A change in one instantly affects the other. What if consciousness operates in the same way? What if our minds are not isolated islands, but nodes in a vast, interconnected network woven into the fabric of reality itself? For decades, consciousness has been assumed to emerge solely from the brain. Yet some experiments challenge this assumption. Studies exploring remote perception, shared intention, and unexplained correlations between individuals suggest that information may travel without physical signals. Neural activity has been observed to synchronize between separate individuals under specific conditions. Could awareness extend beyond the skull? If consciousness is non-local, not bound to space or time, then intuition, synchronicity, and sudden knowing may be glimpses into a deeper connection we barely understand. Long before quantum theory, ancient civilizations spoke of a unified consciousness. In Eastern philosophy, it is Brahman, the underlying reality of all existence. In Western psychology, Carl Jung described the collective unconscious, a shared reservoir of symbols, memories, and archetypes. Mystical traditions refer to the Akashic records, a universal field of information. Seen through a quantum lens, these ideas converge. What if individual consciousness is not fundamental, but a localized expression of something far greater? What if we are not separate minds, but focused perspectives of one universal intelligence? If consciousness is entangled, then separation may be an illusion. Empathy would no longer be emotional, it would be structural. Compassion would no longer be moral, it would be logical. Every thought, every intention could ripple through the collective field. Harm done to others may ultimately echo back to us. Kindness, coherence, and care may strengthen the entire system. Understanding this interconnectedness could redefine ethics, cooperation, and our role as a species. So what is your role in this quantum tapestry? Practices like meditation, deep reflection, and mindfulness may help quiet the noise of the mind, revealing subtler connections beneath thought. Notice intuition. Observe synchronicities. Ask where your ideas truly come from. And share your experiences. Because if consciousness is truly entangled, then exploring it together may be the first step toward understanding the deeper nature of reality. Perhaps the most profound discovery isn't out there in the universe, but within the shared mind we all inhabit.